Hey, hi everyone, I'm Priyabrat and I welcome you all to a new exciting video series that is on Agentic AI Design Patterns. So we are now in the era of Agentic AI. So what is Agentic AI? Agentic AI is nothing but a system where multiple agents work together to solve a given problem. Now, if that system is not designed properly, the system will not behave the way you want it to be. So the problem is not with respect to the agents, but the problem is with respect to the design. So that's why design plays a very important role in this agentic AI system. So it will help us to move from building a very simple, fragile agent to a more robust, reusable and production ready agents. Okay. So now in this video series, we will talk about the 7 most common design patterns that you can use depending on the use case you have. So the patterns are like, we have the sequential design patterns where you can connect the agents as a chain in a sequential pattern. Then we have the reflection design patterns, planning design pattern, the most famous the React agent pattern, and also the multi-agent design pattern. Last two are the parallel fan out and then gather kind of design pattern, and the last one is human in the loop design patterns. So these are the most 7 commonly used, but there are many more patterns that you can come up with, but these are the 7 most commonly used, and each of these pattern have their own pros and cons. So depending on the use case, we can choose a particular design pattern. So that's what in this talk we'll talk about. Of each of this pattern, we'll talk about the underlying architecture and when to use this pattern and when not to use, also the pros, the cons, the limitations and trade-offs, and also we'll talk about different use cases in the bioinformatics or life science field where we can apply these kind of patterns. And most importantly, we will do hands-on where I will show you how to build this kind of system. So this talk or this series is intended for everyone. Maybe you are an AI developer or a data science person or an engineers or even bioinformatician, life science, whoever it may be. This design pattern applies to in any use cases because these are the common basics framework that we can use to make a robust, intelligent and production ready AI agentic system. So that's what we'll talk about. So we'll each pattern I will talk in a separate video, so you can watch it in any random order, but sequential I will start with the first sequential design pattern. So if this topic excites you, I welcome you to this video series and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.